back to Sleeper Barbecue, where we have steak and potatoes on the menu today. Thanks for joining us. Give me a minute and I'll bring you right back. Alright, all we got going on here, some baby Yukon Boomer Gold potatoes that I've already sliced up. We're going to put into our induction burner and pan and fry them up. Alright, we're starting to fry. I'm going to try some of this bone-sucking sauce, steak seasoning and rub, but I'm going to put it on the sliced potatoes here. And our steak seasoning is going to be Uncle Steve's Lucky Shake, which the steaks have been sitting in the refrigerator for, I don't know, maybe 9 hours now, at least, if not 10. And they were salt brine, so dry brine with salt, and we're getting ready to get them out the refrigerator and season them up before we put them on the grill. So I'm going to let these potatoes get ahead of me a little bit. We'll bring you back here shortly. All right, we got a last minute entry into our dinner tonight. Some are going to say, Poblanos, Lance? No way, not you. I've been on a Poblano kick. I have tons of Poblanos, so I am using them on just about anything. So these Poblanos were roasted just yesterday, and I was going to put them up in the freezer, and so I'd have some over the winter. So there you have it. We have a, excuse my head, roasted poblano, some cream cheese, and of course we got to get Uncle Steve back into the party. So we got some gator shake that we're seasoning the inside. Then we're going to lay some provolone cheese in here. I had to cut up sliced cheese because I didn't have any grated provolone, so there you have it. So I'm just going to cup it up as much as I can, run a toothpick through it, and we'll get them on the Weber and see how they turn out. Not bad for a quick little decision. We'll see. While I have you here, our steaks are sweating out, so they're getting ready to go on the fire too. Alright, let's get our steaks on here. Looks like we might have to get them poblano and cream cheese off. If they're cooking up a little faster than I thought they would. Alright, so it's been about 4, almost 5 minutes. I'll go ahead and give these a flip. These are Amish steaks, so they don't like called T-bones and New York strips and everything. I believe these to be porterhouses steaks, but we'll go ahead and take a quick temp. I'm only running about 80 degrees right now, so we got a little ways to go yet. All right now. So we're temping at about 121, 122. I'm gonna let those little poblanos, cream cheese and cheese warm up a little bit more. Let the coals stoke up, and we're gonna throw our steaks on. All right, let's see if we can get a good sizzle. Alright, we are done. Wife's came off about I know 132, 133. She loves them pinker than I do. I'm not a real fan of real pink meat, but I will eat some pink. So I went up to more of the 141. And it's been about, oh, I don't know, it's probably been 10 minutes of me taking pictures and everything, but I'm going to be a little picky, or I can't stand fat. So let's see how we did. I don't know which is worse. There you go. I don't think that looks too bad. Nice and juicy, still pink. I can enjoy this steak. So let's stop talking and start eating. Look how big this thing is. Those potatoes are on top of the steak. This thing is huge. Dang, that is some kind of good. Try our potatoes with diced onions, poblanos, again fried up. Imagine that. Good stuff. Now I'd be lying if I said I haven't had one of these yet. This is the roasted poblanos with cream cheese, Uncle Steve's Gator Shake, and provolone cheese on top. This is probably going to be my 5th one. Excellent. Excellent meal. Probably more than I'll eat tonight. We'll bring you back. And there you go. As one of my buddies would say, fat and happy. That was a heck of a steak. It was absolutely excellent. Very good, very juicy, lots of flavor. And I owe that to Uncle Steve's Lucky Shake. This stuff right here is really good stuff. Really good stuff. The Poblano bites, I guess you'll call them. I thought of wrapping bacon around them, but all my bacon's frozen, so I just went with the cream cheese, Uncle Steve's Gator Shake, and provolone on top of them, and smoked them on the Weber kettle. That was really good, really good. Along with that steak. The steak also was cooked in a Weber kettle. I think that's about it. Truly, the steak's cooked, I think 30 minutes tops overall. 25 minutes. Potatoes probably cooked just as long, if not longer. And those little poblano bites, they cooked up pretty quick. Actually, I'd take them off the heat and put them back on the kettle just to warm them back up. But everything was excellent. I'm Lance, Sleeper Barbecue. Until we meet next time, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. And please, again, subscribe to the channel and give me that thumbs up and leave a comment. That's all I ask. I'll spend the money and make the videos. You just watch them and push those buttons for me. I much appreciate it. We're out.